How to understand infinite return through an example deal. Ken Van Liew here, author of the Modern Wealth Building Formula, How to Master Real Estate Investment, to show you how to get infinite return on your money today. Thank you so much for all your views on my YouTube. And if you like it, keep it coming. Make sure you subscribe today and go to Ken Van Liew and get some free gifts, especially the 11 secrets and the 60 pitfalls of real estate investing. Let's get into how to understand infinite return through an example deal right now. Infinite returns are achieved when you no longer have any of your money invested in that property, but you still own the property and you keep getting money into your mailbox every week. That's right, that property keeps generating income. You can earn infinite return in real estate through two strategies. Most real estate investors, and you've heard me say it so many times, no money down real estate investment strategy. Well, that's right. That's how you get infinite returns. Infinite returns are achieved when you no longer have any of your money in the deal, but you are still receiving the benefits of the cash flow and other returns. Now, the beauty of it is if you can do this from the onset and pay yourself fees, then you are super golden. And that's what I did on my first real estate investment. It was a development where I paid myself 18% of $10 million in order to make it happen. It was a beautiful day. But let me give you an example. Let's say you invest $100,000 in passive real estate deal in return for a 10% ownership stake. Over the next few years, your initial capital is returned to you, your full $100,000, and you still keep 10% ownership in that property. All of a sudden, you go to your mailbox and you continue to receive these distributions and cash flow based on the 10% stake that you have in that property. And you would get your percentage of the profit based on that. At that point, when you receive your full $100,000 initial investment back, you no longer have any money in that deal. So think about it. If you still get $10,000 a month and you have no money in, that's an infinite return. That money can be spent or invested elsewhere because now you got it back. You can also invest in another property. You also technically can't lose the money anymore. Everything from that point is true gains. At that stage, it's like playing with the house's money. You've may have heard that if you are a Las Vegas person. I'm not a gambler, but I know that phrase. So if you want a return on investment, which is ROI, we've talked about this before, if you receive $10,000 that year in distribution but no longer have any money in the deal, you can see where this idea of infinite return comes from. You receive investment income with no money tied up and no risk involved. You can't beat that. And that's how you get an infinite return on your money. It's very, very simple. If you want to learn more, check out kenvanliew.com. Sign up for some free gifts. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave today and make it a great day.